Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Jax. Hey, it's your birthday, Jacqui, and we can't let night come down and not say nothing to you.
Oh my goodness, it's not good.
No, sir. So, we know that this is a new year for you, and we just want a whole heap of niceness to happen.
Like what?
Like that.
What?
Like that.
No, who to pick?
I think you won't ever live down this Hutupek story.
So Jacqui, I was writing my birthday greetings to you and it sounded like this. Happy birthday to you, my sister from another mother. We're not just friends, we're a crew that pray together, laugh together, cry together, and we'll always be together. Happy birthday, my sister friend.
Yes, and from yours truly, Jacqui, my love, I love you and I want the best for you, and you have started on a journey and it'll work for you. And no matter how you appear on a Saturday morning and say how you work until 2 a.m., you still look nice and young. So can you imagine now when that time come, or you're going just young, fresh and green?
What time is that?
That time. Yeah. But God bless and keep you, Jacqui. Happy birthday to you. And from the crew here at Satideh Mawnin Runnings.
And I just wore my hat just for you, Jacqui. I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, and if you notice, I am with Panam.
In other words, we got dressed up in the kitchen just for you.
your favorite place. We are doing this to the kitchen curtain. But we love you. Happy birthday, my love.
And cheers, Jacqui. To many more wonderful years.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
We love you.
One of my favorites. Sweet.
Should we send a kiss for her?
Yes, yeah.
I give you. I sent it, Jacqui.
Happy birthday, my love.
Hey Jax, what's up? It's your birthday, Yes, today's your birthday. And I just want to say, happy birthday, happy Earth Strong, happy born day, happy everything on this day. May you have the most beautiful birthday you ever experienced, girl. Just live it up, do what you want to do, and remember now, you're not going to work, Just enjoy the day. Cut to some dinner. Drop 2 legs. Whatever you want to do to make you happy, darling, just do it, because guess what? It's your birthday and you want to celebrate it. So, happy birthday!
Hey Jacqui, happy birthday. Me just want you know how proud me is to call you my friend. You work hard, you give from the heart, and even when your day is long and tiring, you still find time to rub up a little pudding for those in need. You still show love to people who need it most. That kind of spirit is special. Upon your special day, me pray God will bless you with health, joy, and plenty more years of success, and of course happiness. So may laughter, peace, and favor follow you everywhere you go, my girl. Every day of your life, may you be blessed. Enjoy your day to the fullest. You deserve every bit of celebration. Big birthday love and blessings to you in abundance. Have a wonderful, happy birthday.